Hey landlords, got a new product here. We're going to give it a try and see how it works. We have a Kohler sink that had a small chip in it that was starting to rust. So picked this up online. It's in the Kohler with the white sink, so that works. Hopefully it's the right color. And all you do is apply the this applicator here. You pull it out, it's got a little paintbrush. And then you just kind of dab it on there, and you can see there's still a little bit of rust. So I'm going to go back and check that. Let it dry over 24 hours. The package comes with a little piece of sandpaper. We'll sand it down and see how it goes. Let you know. You can see here it's just a really simple little paintbrush. Here's the small little bottle. Doesn't come with a whole lot. So I'm just going to dab that one little spot that I missed over here, and then we'll let that dry, and we will let you know how it goes. Okay, so it's been over 24 hours, and we're back to check on it. I got this sandpaper here. It's all nice and dry. I'm just gonna give it a little sand, and my guess is that even though it's working, I either put it on too thick or I need something a little bit more abrasive, which is maybe going to screw up the rest of the sink. So give me a minute to check it out and see how this works. Okay, so we're pretty much done at this point. It's smooth. I mean, you can you feel it to the touch, but it's not a big bump or anything like that. So that's a good thing. You can see that it's noticeable when you're looking right at it, but when you come out at the sink, you really can't notice it. It kind of just looks like there's a chunk of paint in there or something. But you know, considering that this sink is 15 years old, we got a quote to look the whole kitchen. We got a quote to get this sink, the whole sink redone. And they told us it was gonna be $750. So the guy was really nice and recommended this product. It cost 10 to 15 bucks. And we're really happy with the way it came out. I mean, it's gonna tie us over until we're ready to renovate the unit. So yeah, we're getting close to that. So get through another tenant or two and we're good to go. I'm happy with it. I give this product a thumbs up.